Hello fellow rosarians, thank you for joining me today. I'm getting ready to do my spring prune, and before I do that video for you guys, I wanted to crank through some roses really quick up front that are kind of in the way and show you how this electric pruner works. A lot of you reached out as soon as you saw a sale and asked me to grab it. I think it was $99 and it might be originally like $130 or $140. It comes with 2 batteries, and I've just been hesitant to buy an electric pruner because of the extra weight. I think, you know, if I only had maybe a handful of roses, it wouldn't bother me too much. But if you picture a lot of roses and going around the yard, I'm worried about the weight becoming cumbersome. So I have used this now for my hydrangea. It works like a charm. I'm going to go ahead and show you here how it works on these roses, and then I'll go ahead and give you my thoughts at the end of the video. So even though we're using electric pruners, you know that we need to be using our alcohol to sanitize. So it's 70% alcohol. I'm just going to go ahead and dip those in, and I use the alcohol in between each rose bush. So not every cut unless I see an issue, but in between each rose bush, I have 3 here, and then I'm also going to come back afterwards and hit them with dormant spray, and that's going to suppress any funguses that would also be on the rose. So as I'm getting in here for my spring cut, you know that I like to take it down to about knee height, 18 to 24 inches. So I'm not going to give a whole lot of thought now to the rose and inward, outward, any of that. Let's just go ahead and start cutting. It turned itself off. Now we're ready to go. This is my beloved salmon welt from Cortez. So here you go, you guys. You can see that I've really brought the height down. They're to my knee or a little bit lower, and that's typically where I do all of my spring prune height so that I can maintain it. I still need to come back now, and I just feel more comfortable coming in with hand pruners to clean everything up, to seal my prunes, to see if there's any crossing, because I kind of feel like this tool for me is great for quick hacks, coming in really quick and cutting things down, or if you have massive branches that you don't want to get your loppers out. I did find that these are easier to use. But for me, with all of the roses that we have, I really don't think that this is a tool that I will use for the entire yard as my primary tool. I just like hand clippers, and I like to feel my hands making the cuts. It's therapeutic, and I think that I'm scared of this a little bit, whereas I'm sure, you know, from a safety perspective, it's fine as long as I'm kind of keeping a distance. And with my hand pruners, I know I'm not going to cut myself. With this, once I depress that button, there's no stopping it, and so it just kind of scares me a little bit, but I'm glad that I tried it. I'll continue to use it, and I'll leave it on my cart of tools in the event that I reach a cane that is too large. As they get older, the canes increase in size, and I'll use it for canes that are very large, my hydrangeas, and then just a one-off cut here or there. So it's a good tool to have, but it won't be my go-to. So if you want to hang around for the next video, I'm going to show you guys how to do a spring prune with my manual clippers. Thanks so much. I'll see you in the next one.